Hey guys, in this video we are going to be looking at WeVideo. So in my Google Drive, so notice I am in my St. Pius Google Drive, and you do want to be in your St. Pius. You're going to go to New, and you're going to go to More, and you're actually going to go to Connect More Apps. And the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to type in WeVideo, and you can actually see it's already popping up there for me. If it is for you, great. If not, go ahead and hit search, and where mine says rate it, I think yours should say something like add it. So you want to add WeVideo. And once you exit out of there, now when I go to New, More, I'll actually have a WeVideo option, and I can click on that and it's going to open it up straight from my Google Drive. So, something new this year that we have never done. So, again, I'm going to ask you if you have any issues to email me because I have not seen the student side of this yet. We have bought the premium version of WeVideo for all of our St. Pius students. So, we used to be limited to 5 minutes per month for the publish time. Now, notice there 350 hours. So, you guys are set on time. And we used to be limited in storage, but again, we are set now in storage with 1,750 gigs of storage available. So when you first come in here, you're going to notice that there are a bunch of different options where you can actually click on more, and you could go in here and you could choose one of these templates. You'll also notice at the top here that you've got projects. You could come and you could make a new project. You've got media where you can upload your media for your project, which we're going to look at later. You've got your final published videos, which we'll have soon. And then notice there's also a group option. So if you ever need to do a group video, you can do that here in WeVideo. But I'm going to go to projects, and I'm going to go ahead and click start new. And I'm going to name this, my autobiography. You can give a description. You can decide whether it's collaborative, but this one should be personal. So you're going to hit next. And then you're going to hit create video. And I'm going to start with the blank option, and I'm going to hit start. And it's going to get me right into WeVideo. All right, so the first thing that I noticed here is, wow, it actually saw statue as a search here, but a bunch of different options in. So there are a lot of new features to WeVideo that we're going to be looking at, and that I'm super excited to share with you. But for your autobiography, this is mainly for you, the student. And so what I want you to do is I want you to go to the projects page, watch the autobiography examples that are there, and notice what makes them good. You shouldn't be standing in front of a video camera talking. You shouldn't be having a slideshow of images. If you talk about the fact that you enjoy scrapbooking, make a video of you in the process of creating your scrapbook. If you talk about how much you love your family and who your siblings are and your parents are, take videos of them. Make this a true video project. So the first thing that we're going to notice here is that we have all these different options at the top here under my video. And if I go to the one with the star, this is where I can actually go ahead and I can bring in my own video. So I can choose my green upload arrow here, and I can browse to select. Notice I can actually pull from other sources as well if I sign in, but I'm going to go ahead and browse to select, and I'm going to go to my folder. And then I'm going to go find a video that I actually want to include in here, a video or an image. So let's see here. So I'm actually going to go to my videos and find those. Here we go. Here's my GoPro. All right, awesome. So I've got some from the lake with my family. And so notice as I import that, it's still not completely in. You can see that little blue bar that's trying to load. So while that's loading, I'm going to go ahead and click the green up arrow again. And this time I'm going to come out and I'm going to grab a picture. So let's say that you want a picture from my GoPro. Here we go. Oh, those are still videos. Let's see here. Okay, let's say, you really like Julio Jones, so you're going to do a Julio Jones picture. There we go. So that's coming in. So that's the way that I can upload those things. So for the most part, in the videos that I have for you, everything is the same except for a couple of key things. So first off, the things that are different. So you've got this text option here where you can actually go and you can see there's multiple options. These did not all used to be available to us. They now are. So notice some of these awesome titles that you can get. You can double click on them and they should actually play over here in the main area so you can see how they look. So start off with a very cool title that's introducing your video. And once you have that, you just drag that onto the video 1 or the video 2 line. And then you can click on it and use this little pencil by hovering over the lines to actually come in here and edit this text and change what it actually says there. So first, I could change the type of font, and then I could say, all about me, and you can see how that changes there. So then you've got your music. So again, you've got free music, but because we have paid for the subscription, you also have premium music now. So if you decide to use one from here instead of Ben's Sound, make sure you still cite it with the name of the actual song as well as WeVideo as the title. Then you've got your transitions. All of these were available before, so that should be pretty much the same as my other videos. And then you've still got these overlays and frames, which again, I'm going to show in some of the other videos that you have. Themes I would stay away from, just not something I think would be beneficial for your project. But the big part is just making sure that you are creating a video full of videos and not images. So if you actually go over to the WeVideo page, there is more content on this. This video is just for some of the differences. So if you're getting started, you're adding video, you're adding titles, you're trimming and splitting, you'll watch this video. If you're adding audio, images, transitions, or overlaying, you'll watch the next video. And then the last video is the credits, the publishing, and the posting to Haiku. So everything else is the same except for those few differences. But go have a lot of fun in WeVideo. I think you're going to like it. And don't forget to use the finish option when you're done to actually save that and then go in there and publish it so that you can actually send me the link to it. All right, so that's it for this video, and I hope you guys enjoy WeVideo. I'll see you next time.